Welcome back to another tutorial. Your Google TV has hidden audio type settings that most people don't know about, but they can transform your viewing. If your sound is ever wrong, this is the one menu you need to know. I'm showing you the settings shortcut right now. Let's make your Google TV sound perfect. First up, from your Google TV home screen, go all the way to the top right and select your settings icon. Scroll down and choose System or Device Preferences depending on your OS version. Once inside, navigate down to the Accessibility menu. This is where all those helpful hidden features live. From here, select Audio Type. Now you'll see your list of available tracks, which are provided by the show or movie you're watching. You can switch between normal audio, audio description, which adds a separate voice track describing visual actions, costumes, and scene changes. Then you have spoken subtitles, a feature where the subtitles on screen are spoken by a text-to-speech voice. Then there's the hearing impaired mode. This usually refers to subtitles formatted for those who are deaf or hard of hearing. You'll see descriptions of sounds like doorbell rings and etc. during your movies and shows on your TV if you enable it. There should be a lot of other audio settings as well depending on your TV model. You just need to check them out and try them yourself. And that's how you can change the audio type on Google TV for better accessibility. If this video helped you out, then like the video and subscribe for more Google TV accessibility tips.